Imagine a reward system that has evolved over millions of years to make you feel good for surviving. Now, imagine a chemical that hijacks that system with 1000% more power than anything nature intended. Within seconds, the brain isn't just high, it's under siege. Welcome to another episode of What Happens When Visualized. I'm Mike. Today, we're peeling back the layers of one of the most destructive substances on Earth, crystal meth. We're going beyond the warnings you've heard 1,000 times. We are going to visualize the raw biology of the surge, the physical toll of the fight-or-flight response, and the long-term structural collapse of the human reward system. Let's go inside. Because its molecular structure is so similar to the body's natural messengers, the barrier lets it slide right through. Once inside, it heads straight for the command center, the synapse. Normally, your brain is a balanced ecosystem. You eat a great meal, you get a small pulse of dopamine. The brain feels the reward, then recycles the chemical to keep the balance. This is how we experience healthy pleasure. Meth changes the rules. It doesn't just release dopamine, it forces the floodgates to stay open and then breaks the pumps that are supposed to clear it away. The result is a dopamine storm so intense, it creates an artificial state of euphoria that the brain literally cannot turn off. This isn't just a feeling, it is a neurochemical explosion. While the brain is drowning in dopamine, the rest of the body is in survival mode. The central nervous system triggers a permanent fight or flight response. Your heart rate gallops, your blood pressure spikes. Your body is preparing for a battle that isn't coming. Because the body is prioritizing the fight, it cuts off blood flow to non-essential areas like the skin and gums. Combined with the total loss of saliva, your mouth's natural defense, the teeth begin to rot from the inside out. This isn't bad hygiene. This is the body consuming itself. The crash is inevitable. To survive the dopamine flood, the brain does something drastic. It kills off its own receptors to protect itself. It's like a fuse blowing during a power surge. When the drug finally leaves the system, the user is left with a brain that can no longer process any pleasure. Not food, not love, not even the drug itself. This is the dark void of addiction. The damage is profound, but the human body is surprisingly resilient. With time, often years, the brain can regrow those receptors. But the journey back is long. By visualizing the how, we can finally understand the why. Understanding the science is the first step toward empathy and recovery. Thanks for watching What Happens When Visualized. I'm Mike. Let me know in the comments what we should visualize next. I'll see you in the next episode.